Díomh agus fáilte a chuirde, hello and welcome. Welcome to Amhrán na Seachtaine, Song of the Week. Each week on my blog I pick a song and share the lyrics along with a translation and several different versions of the song by different artists. This is a pronunciation guide for you if you would like to learn the song and sing it in Irish. Just a quick note on pronunciation before we get started. There are three major Irish dialects, or Connachts as we call them: Munster, Ulster and Connacht. My main influences are Munster and Connacht. I won't speak with a really strong accent. The main differences are pronunciation of some words, which syllable is emphasized, some pronunciation of vocabulary and phrases. Listen to and repeat each verse and chorus several times. Repeat them as often as you need to. Buin Tanabas. And this week's song is Bheadh Buachaillín Deas ag Síle. Síle will have a lovely young man. Bheadh Buachaillín Deas ag Síle. Dá bósach sí mé mar ar. Waróin an brath ar an tíde, is cunning ar an nuig chomá. Ní iarthing lei capall ná cuire. Airgid buí ná geall. Mar go bar lomsa gom marmanaí í, ná éin inin rí dár war. Tá máthair gan taise ag Síle. Is ní brahan si a crí rómha. Tá sporán mór fada aici líonta, ag lurg talamh gan cias le fearr. Chuma lei ard é nó íseal, ba chuma lei buí nó geall, ó ba chuma lei caun é nó díreach, ach bheith aige clúire is bá. Ní mar sin mar bheasan mo híle, bar lei mise ná míle fearr. Mar is maireachse hainhin ar fiabde, sis grounta do rinchin dras. Chuireann se in dalamh na síalta, is bhaineann arís tharnáis. Nuair a thiocfainn se a bhaile ní bhrúin hen, ach ag rachaireacht grian lem chearch. Tá mo mhargaidh socair le Síle, is ní bhriseach éire ar fad. Gan spláchas dá máthair ná mhuintir, rachaigh sí chun cinn gan stad. Pósann sa chathair an bhí seo, san sagart á dhíol go maith. Sní dóthaí go bhanam sa tír seo, ach ag reachtarach síos amach. A PDF with the lyrics and translation along with the melody and an MP3 of the pronunciation guide are available on my website simplyjacinta.com. Take it easy, simplyjacinta.com/blog, and you will find some links to videos of different versions of the songs, or you can do a search on YouTube, Spotify, Amazon Music, etc. Tá Sein liste an freisin de Amhrán na Seachtaine ar YouTube. There's also a playlist of the songs of the week available on YouTube. I'll put the link in the description box below. Má bhain tú soltas. If you enjoyed this or got value from it, please like and subscribe. Gur míle maith agaibh, thank you very much. Cas Amhrán. Don't forget, sing a song.